Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo, and then with Levikson, I had a chance. We jumped on stage together. Yeah, man, it was really something nice, something I've never had in my life. I've been watching Eddie Kenzo in his TV, when dancing to his music when I was still young. By this time around, maybe I shared the stage with him. It's something beautiful. I'm really happy for that. Eddie Kenzo, if you're watching this, Santi Sana, thank you so much.
Okay.
I'm called NZ.
NZ?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
Well, I was invited for a meeting, a UNMF meeting. Been appointed as the president for the Greater Karamoja. Yeah.
Okay.
So meeting was yesterday, and today was another meeting, though it was for other promoters and stuff like that. Yeah.
How is the environment?
Good. It's normal, nice.
Hey.
Yeah.
Can you rate the other one where you came from and here?
Well, I mean, I would love to be there than here because there is too much kind of fancy. It's not our kind of lifestyle. We love to be in the bush. We love to graze animals. We love to, we love to be in the kraals. We love to take milk. We love to hear the sound of cows, sound of goats. Yeah.
Then how do you get time to concert? Are you an artist?
Yes, I am. I'm a musician.
How do you get time to concentrate music and while you are keeping animals?
I mean, it's like showering. Grazing is like showering. It is your time alone mostly. You don't have distraction. It's very easy to compose a song.
Okay.
For example, you're grazing. From there, you can just compose a song from how the animals are grazing. Yeah, it's not that hard. It's very simple. Compared to being in town, you can't. It's very hard to compose a song when border borders are passing, cars are passing. Your brain is not settled. But when you're grazing, come on. Unless except if there's maybe a raid, you suspect there's a raid or something like that. That can be a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is the industry?
Well, the industry, for now, I'm telling you, it is fine. And for me, who is an upcoming, I can say it is fine. Though, I mean, the federation itself, from what I've heard and what I've seen, though I've not seen all, it has a bigger kind of, there is too much kind of process.
Okay.
There's a lot that is supposed to be done. And trust me, if the federation meets that.
How did you come to reach here to meet Eddie Kenzo?
Just like I said earlier on, I was invited.
By who?
I was invited by one of the members who heads the northern region. Yeah, that's how I came here.
Okay.
I didn't walk. If you are thinking maybe I walked, I didn't walk. Of course, I had to board the bus. Yeah, and then reached here.
Have you seen his attire?
Okay. What is this? This one.
Oh, this one you don't have to touch it anyhow.
Hey.
You don't touch it anyhow.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Eh?
Yeah, you don't touch it anyhow. Not until you have permission from the person wearing it. This is a hat, local hat, and then this is a feather of an ostrich.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's not artificial, it is a feather of an ostrich.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the way how you dress in your culture there, where you stay?
This is how we dress. Trust me, this is a kind of a weatherproof material. It is made from the tires of the cars that you guys drive. Yeah, it's weatherproof. Both water, fire, I mean except for fire, but it can't burn very easily. Yeah. And then this is a blanket, which is also a trouser like the one you're putting on. I can turn it to be a sheet for sleeping in the night, and it's also a jacket of mine as well. When it rains, I can just when it's cold, I can just wrap on myself. Yeah.
Okay.
And then maybe more about me.
Yeah.
I am a tour guide as well, as you see. Yeah, I'm a tourism student. At least I secured a degree in travel and tourism management, and then I'm a local artist. That's what I do mostly, and also I'm a photographer. This very camera you're handling can also handle it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said that you are an artist. Can you give us a cappella?
Yes, I have a song called Kwele Kwele. It's on YouTube, it's on Spotify. Actually, I have a Karamoja music album. It's an album of 7 songs.
Okay.
Yeah, the first one is called Lakiar, the second one is called Toto, to mean mother. The one is called Kulikuli. Then there's Karamoja music. Then there is Nikone. Then there's Tonight. Then there's another one.
Okay.
All this music is on Spotify, Apple Music. It is on Amazon. It is on YouTube Music. It is on Boomplay. Yeah, it is on Audiomack as well. And then, well, mostly that. And then it is also on Deezer. And it's also on Tidal.
I want a cappella, like a verse, yeah?
No problem. All that is set. You say this one is number 4 in the album, the one that's trending in my region now after my first called Kulikuli. Karamoja music to the world, for the toilet music to the world, how for the old music to the world, I want to carry music to the world. Let the world listen, yam. Every Keledia listen, yam. Every Nanyamata listen, yam. Hanging out the back, listen, ya. Tema, listen to the son and Nangro, and Mantan Karamojo. A Jamon Tang and Karamojo. A Morito and Karamojo. Naitiki Moriki, no one, Nangro. If you are not listening, Angela, Yaman.
Okay.
It's One Gang. My music label is called One Gang Music.
Okay.
Yaman.
Last words, what advice can you give to those people who are still there, and so that they can come and
Now,
join
being
you
the
in
president of,
federation?
being the president of the Greater Karamoja region, I actually had all the members, all the musicians to join the federation because there's a lot to offer. There's a lot that that is soon to happen. There is more, and this is a benefit to the artists, to the musicians, the local artists mostly. And yesterday, here there's also talent promotion. Like right now we are at Alua Hotel. Yeah. Last evening there was a session called Jump Sessions, and this is all about identifying new talent. That's on the first day of the month, second, like that. I had an opportunity to share a stage with